Okay, this is just a little video. I installed a set of VLED headlights bulbs for the low beams. Super easy to install. This is this one right here. This is a driver's side. Driver's side is easy. You do have to kind of wiggle the bulb past this seam right here on the metal work, and then the piece that hangs down, because it has extra wiring to it, I just zip tied that right to this panel right here. There's a hole right here, just zip tied it up. I don't have to do two things. One, keeps it out of the way so it won't rattle, and two, this here will kind of act like a heat sink if that gets warm at all. The passenger side really isn't any harder, but you do have the washer in the way. But as you can see there, you got plenty of room to get down in there with your hand. So it's not really an issue at all. Let me work my way around here. Okay, right here is that bulb. The old one comes right out. This one here went right in. A little bit easier than the driver's side actually. And again, with the extra wiring that you have, the harness, I just took and zip tied everything right up here through this hole, and it's tied up against this metal piece right here. Again, if this piece right here gets any heat to it, this will kind of act like a heat sink to help draw more heat away. So it'll also keep it from rattling. This was a super quick install, took about 3 minutes to do both of them, and of course it's daylight now, so there's not really any opportunity to show what the lighting is like on them, but that's super easy. I installed both the passenger and driver side in about 3 minutes. It's pretty much plug and play, and I tested them, make sure they come on. They came on with no problems. There's no lights on the dash, no warnings. Super simple, quick install. These are expensive. They're $200 for the set, so $100 a piece. But from my understanding, these are some of the best bulbs that you can, LED bulbs that you can purchase for these. So I hope this helps out anybody looking to maybe put in a set of LED bulbs.